Good morning, people. A rainy day, but a large day for our finches and canaries. That is the new part of the aviary I'm still working on here. So I lock myself in completely. Afterwards, I have to remove those boards, and that goes into the actual finch aviary. I will show you on the end the whole aviary. Hey, hi. See, I lock myself out again. Finches, now you have paradise. Once upon a time, this was the actual finch aviary. Here. Also with the shelter room. Then I added on this part here. What's the big part? Double the size than the first one. So we're having now 3 times the original size. With shelter room. Hello. Brand new. What you saw earlier in the video, I opened up here. That is brand new. Put in some white thorn and branches to sit on, a lot of nests. And that is actually just a pathway to that big aviary here. And as you see, few minutes and a lot of them are already here. They found the way real quick. Let's walk. Nests everywhere. Hey, little finches. And you like it here, huh? And the third place for food. For the bigger ones, a little bigger seeds. And the shelter room. Also here, I put in some white thorn bushes. By the way, to put them in, it hurts. their sting. And if you look through here, it's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful aviary. I love it. And as it looks like, the finches too. Yeah, that's it. Yay! Big, big aviary. With special thanks to our sponsors. As you know, you can sponsor our aviaries with at least 300 euros, your name, eventually business, town and country, advertise on a printed aluminum sign, and that will stay here for good. It's no time limit.